this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm here to show you how to cook Kyle's favourite childhood frozen food, and that is Smiley Fries. He absolutely loved these as a kid and would ask for them all the time, but my big problem was I always burnt them. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodie, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. Because in the oven, it's very difficult to get the temperature spot on, and you think, oh right, it says on the packet 10 minutes, you go 10 minutes and they were way too brown. Whilst with the air fryer, you can set the time and the temperature, and you can follow our guidance on that, and then you won't have your burnt smiley fries. Or even better, the other problem with the smiley fries in the oven is that they don't have any kind of crisp to them because they're oven baked. Well, with the air fryer, you can solve that problem as well. So, grab your bag of smiley fries and open it up. The McCain smiley fries, but you can use any that you wanted. And you can just load them into the air fryer basket. You'll find some are stuck together, and try and prise them apart, because otherwise it'll ruin the crispiness on them. Oh, that was a hard one. And then, unfortunately, McCain doesn't give you that many in a bag, so you probably use a full bag in one go. If you look, my air fryer is not really that full compared to doing a bag of frozen fries, and that's all of them. So that's what a full pack actually looks like when you do them in the air fryer. Hands a quick wipe. And then what you can also do is, if you want them crispier, is to add some extra virgin olive oil spray. It does make such a big difference. So just spray it around like that. And then place the smiley fries in. And then you're looking for a temperature of 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And then you're looking for a cook time of 8 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. So shall we check on our smiley fries? I'm supposed to smile like that for smiley fries. Right. So the first thing to do, the husband stops laughing in the background, stops making me laugh, is to give them a good shake. To shake the air fryer, if you've not done it before, you literally just do that. Imagine like when you're doing an omelette or something similar, and it just stops any from getting stuck to the bottom of the basket. And then of course, my secret ingredient is back, and that is the extra virgin olive oil spray. You can literally just fill an old bottle with some extra virgin olive oil, and it's absolutely fantastic for crisping food up in the air fryer. And then you're not using too much oil, and you don't have to get your hands dirty when you're using it. And I have tried other oils in the air fryer, but none of them have compared to the results that extra virgin olive oil brings for a healthy, balanced fat. Or if you're planning on being naughty, then duck fat is absolutely spectacular in the air fryer. And just like extra virgin, you don't need to use much. So now we're going to put the smiley fries back on just to crisp them up. They are perfectly cooked right now, but they're not crispy. So let's put them back on, shall we? But before I do, I just wanted to mention something. If you head over to RecipeThis.com, pause the video right now to do so. You can search for smiley fries on Recipe This, and there's the full printable recipe card there. And you can go from metric to imperial as well. and it's just fantastic for printing out so that you can follow this recipe along at home, because I know sometimes videos can move so fast that it can be hard to do that sometimes. So once I've mentioned that, so I'm looking for 5 minutes at 200 Celsius, that's a 400 Fahrenheit. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to check on them at 3 minutes, because you can add time but you can't take time away, and we don't want burnt smiley fries, do we? And we've beeped. So it's done its original cook time of 8 minutes, then it's done another 5 minutes at a higher temperature with some extra virgin olive oil spray. So now we can check on the smiley fries and see how much better they are compared to the traditional method in the oven. And wow, they look absolutely amazing. I just cannot believe how good they look. I mean, check that out for a smile. Isn't that fantastic? I know, I should grow up a bit, shouldn't I? Well, George and Sophia absolutely love them as well. And I'll tell you another method that you'll also find over at recipethis.com. And that is that you could, if you're the kind of parent that would do your kids for tea, smiley fries with some beans or maybe some spaghetti hoops, then all you would have to do differently is move over some of the smiley fries out the way and then create a little section there. And then what you can do is you can fill a ramekin with some baked beans or some spaghetti or whatever they fancy. And then for the last 5 minutes, have that ramekin in there as well. And then that will be heated through by the time the air fryer beeps and will be perfect for them for the dinner. And then let's pour them out. And there you have it. That's the smiley fries all cooked and ready for tucking into. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.